Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain what I have done for the Python lesson 1. For that, I have got three questions. The first question is I need to uh, point out the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. So I have written all those differences and I have submitted all my code into this GitHub, and you can find as a document file. And coming to the second question, uh, it's like for any string. For example, if I give some Python, so I need to at least remove two characters or two characters from those word and reverse the resultant string and print it. So for that I'm using PyCharm to do that operation. So if you can see, this is the reverse. So first I will take a string, and then I'm completely manipulating the character 1 to character 2, such that starting from for the first three characters in the character 1 string won't be coming into character 2. So and after that I'll be just reversing the letters in those characters. So I'll just run this code so that we can check it. So I'm changing this. I'll just give an reverse. Okay, apply, and I'll be running this thing. So if I'm running this, it's asking for some string, so I'm giving my name Rajshekar. So when I press enter, the original input enter is Rajshekar, and it will be removing the last. It will be removing the first three characters, and it will be displaying, it will be taking ASHEKR, and it will be so it will be reversing those string. And coming to the second part, in the second question, like I need to take two numbers from the user and perform arithmetic operations on them. So if you can see, this is the code for that. So I will be taking first input 1 and input 2, and I will be storing those into char 1 and char 2. So by default, whatever the input we take from the user, it will be of characters or strings. So for that, I am converting those characters into integers, like using the int keyword. So I got two numbers like integer 1 and integer 2, and for that I'm doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operation, and I'm going to display all those values. So I will just change those. Arithmetic, apply, and I will just run this code. So it's asking for please enter the first number, so I'm entering like 55 as my first number and second number as 5. So it will be giving the sum of the two numbers is 60, and the difference of two numbers is 50, like 55 minus 5 is 50, and the multiplication of two numbers like 55 into 5 to 75, and division of two numbers is 11.0. So it will be in Python 3.0, it will be a Python 3, it will be taking it as the decimal point also, like in Python 2 it will just display as 11, that's it. And coming to the last part, like the program, I need to replace some of the keyword Python with Pythons without using regex. So here is the code for that. So I'll just take that input into input 1, and I'll just replace the Python word with Pythons. So we'll just run this. Replace, okay, apply, and I will run this code. So it's asking for some sentence. Python for sure, some random sentence. So in this, both Pythons should be replaced with Pythons. So here this Python is replaced with Pythons, and this Python is replaced with Pythons, and yeah, that's it.